There, much better. Hey guys, my name's Marion, and the NS is coming. Let's go wait for the gates to go down.
Guys, we have a train coming.
Here it comes. You guys know this is my favorite horn anyways. One second engine! Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Well, you might have to get on right behind us. We're gonna be recording.
Sorry.
It's okay. You gotta be quiet, he's gonna record too.
Okay.
He wants it quiet. Can I say what's up out to them when they come? I can still have horn from down there. I can still hear it.
There may be another one down
Hope so. Wait, there will be a meet.
there. Yeah, I think I hear another train.
I saw you. I saw you. Oh, and I saw one of your favorite. One of your favorite Pokemon. It's Pikachu.
Hey guys, you're not gonna believe this. Me and him are gonna have a. Wait, do you have a meet before with this train?
Dude, I'm trying to put it
I'm gonna probably have a full sun meet, so. NS is coming and CSX southbound's coming. I should have checked the signal before. Or maybe not, I'm just staying here, okay? Oh, CSX is coming. Okay, we're gonna have a meet here. Dinner down. I want you to smash the like button. Wait, what kind? Oh, Union Pacific, I never seen that. Weird. That's the Union Pacific, the oil engine. TSX is coming, we gotta have a meet here. I'm gonna record.